Good morning, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff, and I work here in the parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota. And we want to talk to you just a moment about wheel covers. Now, today we are looking at a wheel cover on a Toyota Corolla. This one is a 2018 model Corolla. Plastic full wheel cover with steel wheels. And you may be saying, well, I've had one come off my car. I just purchased tires or hit a bump in the road, or something has happened and one of my wheel covers is missing and I wish to replace them. Well, what are my options? And in most cases, we will have two options for you to replace wheel covers on your Toyota. In the first case, and this is a steel wheel, so they normally use a full wheel cover, which is what this is. And the factory Toyota wheel cover, we sell them individually. Prices will vary. They're normally between, let's say, $97 and $130 a piece, depending on the vehicle, and most of them are going to be in the $97 to $110 range, let's say. And you may say, well, I've got an older vehicle, it's several years old, and I just don't want to spend that much money, but I want to put wheel cover on my car. In fact, I'm missing one, but I've got the other two or three that are sort of beat up or scratched, and I just don't want to invest that much money. Well, that's okay, because we do offer in our retail department these replacement sets of wheel covers. Now, these are not factory original, they're replacement wheel covers. They come in sets of 4. These are good quality wheel covers. This would be a good option for you if you want to replace all 4 wheel covers, but you just don't want to invest, as much money in it as you would on the original. We sell these sets of wheel covers for $69.95 for the set, and we'll be glad to help you select some for your vehicle. We have several different styles, and they'd be an excellent option to replace wheel covers if the factory wheel cover is not an option for you. Feel free to come visit us in the retail department. We'll be glad to help you. And as always, thank you for the opportunity to earn your business. We greatly value your business here at Hayward Allen Toyota. Please come visit me in the parts department, and I will be glad to help you if you need a new set of wheel covers. Thank you.